my subscribers, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. How are you doing? God is good all the time. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for bigging me up. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Alright, love and thanks. Alright, today now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make some coconut oil. I show it already, but I'm going to redo it again how I make coconut oil. So watch the process as I go. Alright. Yes, my viewers, my subscribers, my family and my friends, each and every one of you, coconut oil boiling. Alright, so this is my coconut cut and everything. So I'm going to show you how I boil it again. Some people don't know how it boil, and over here I have my Dutch pot. Okay, and I have my blender here already, and I'm going to blend it and throw it in this one. Okay, so watch the process as I go. My hands already been washed. Alright, so I'm going to take out some of the coconut like this. You know, I'm going to show you how I get out my coconut from the shell. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, so I'm going to blend it. Here is my zone. And let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from, and thanks for making a comment, and thank you again for viewing my channel. Alright, so I'm going to start my blending. Can see, and if you don't have a blender, you just use a grater. Okay, you can see. Right, and I have my more water here, and guys, it's good to use warm water, not too warm, but it's good to use warm water. You can see, and I put my pot on the stove already. So this is my final blending now. I'm gonna get some more water. Thing wrong. This is like this. Right. You can see. And guys, let me know if you ever boil coconut. Do you know about the boiling of coconut? Let me know. Okay. Can you see? Right. But when you use a grater to grater, it gives a finer chush, so you get, to me, you get more juice from it. Alright? Just like coconut. Now you don't have to use a lot of water to make your oil. can see. Alright. So I'm going to put this away and I'm going to use this. And you can see my pot is all ready. See there? My pot is hot. And you can extract your oil from the coconut in other ways. Some people, they don't boil it, they just put it to like a day or two in the refrigerator or on the outside. That's how they extract the oil from the coconut. But this is how I do it. Okay, this is a process I know about. So I'm going to let this stay there on boil. Okay, so watch the process as I go. This may take an hour to boil, depends on the amount of water you have in it. But guys, let me advise, don't use a lot of water, just use a small amount of water with the, and you get a better juice. All right, but this is about 3 coconut because I cut them in one, so it's about 3 coconuts. So I will not get a lot of oil, I just get a small. For me to get a bottle full of oil, I have to do like 1 dozen coconut. All right, but I just have 3, so I'm just using the 3 that I have. All right, so watch the process as I go. It will stay there and boil. All right, thank you for viewing, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to Henry's Family TV. Love you guys. Can see it, it's boiling, and if it's too much you can take out a little. Maybe I put too much in it, but it will take its own time and boil down. You see, it won't boil over. You can see, stay there. This is the oil on top. See, so it's going to boil. And let me know if you ever boiled the coconut before. Boil the oil out of it. And coconut has a lot of benefits. A lot of benefits. You can use the oil, this oil in your hair. You can use it to cook. Can't afford to make it boil over, so I'm turning down the fire. Maybe I put too much in it. You can use it to cook. You can use it to oil your hair. You can use it to rub on your skin. It smells so nice. Oh yeah. Even in the cold countries where we are, when I boil it, I use it on my skin because of the winter. Alright? These have so many benefits. You cook it in your rice and peas. You put it on your meat, you do whatever you want to do with it. And for sure, it's better than the one in the store. It's not processed nor nothing. It's this real coconut milk. Alright, so let me know, man. Make a comment and let me know if you ever boiled coconut oil before. Okay, watch the process. You can see it boiling. It's boiling. Let's get it there, but you have to keep constantly turn the side, scrape the side off. Alright, you can see. Alright, so watch the process. Coming down, guys, my subscribers, it's coming down. But just keep turning it, you see, it's coming down. And you know what you can put on this, my viewers and my subscribers? Let me know. Put it in the comment and let me know what can you put in this. What can you eat with this? Salt mackerel. Do you know salt mackerel? Or saltfish with tomato. I call it mackerel rundown or saltfish rundown. Let me know if you know those. You just cook your salt mackerel and put it in it and season it up. You can see? So it's coming to a boil now. So I have to keep stirring it until it comes to a boil. You can see the oil? This is the oil. You can see? This is the oil. You can see? It's getting there. So I have to keep turning it. And turning it. If I don't turn, it will burn. Okay. Let me know if you ever eat rundown. Coconut rundown with salt mackerel and susumber. For all those who know susumber, let me know if you ever eat it before. You can see? Oil. So I'm going to boil it until it gets dark. So you can just throw this on your meat. You can make this as a gravy. You can see the oil is coming. But guys, it takes a lot of coconut to get a full glass of oil or full bottle of oil. So you have to keep stirring like this. You can see? Oil is getting there. Make a comment, man. Let me know if you ever boil the coconut like this. For those in other countries that don't know it, make a comment. When you subscribe, make a comment. Alright? It's getting there. Okay. Guys, this is it now. So I'm going to strain it now. Finish the boiling. So I'm going to strain it off now. So I have my pot here. See my pot? All ready. You can see? Let me show you. Okay. And if you want to make it darker, boiling it down and make it darker, that's okay. Let it stay there and cool. As I say, guys, it's not a lot. You can see. But be careful, it's very hot. Alright, so I'm going to put it to cool. You can see. This is all I got. Guys, my viewers and my subscribers, it's not a lot, but I give God thanks. I'm just showing you how I boil my coconut oil. You can see, this is what I got. God has been so good. Alright, this is how I boil it, and you can use it to cook your food. Put it in your hair, rub your skin. It smells so nice. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Half bottle is better than none of all, and I give God thanks. Alright, this is the oil I got from my coconut oil. My coconut. It's about 3 coconuts. Okay, so if I want a full bottle, I boil like maybe 7 coconut or whatever. But it is what I have, so I give God thanks for his goodness. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. This is how we boil it. Alright, let me know how you boil it. Alright, and how many coconuts you boil. And tell me where you're watching from, and make a comment. Let me know if you ever boil it before. Alright, thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Okay? Love you guys. Pure coconut oil. Okay? Bye bye.